Hey everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the easiest superhero mask. So let's get right to it. Here's the number of chains that you'll do for each age. And after you have your chain the correct length, you're going to slip stitch to join. And you'll form this large ring. So now I'm going to chain one. And I'm going to work 3 single crochet in the ring. And now I'm going to work 27 double crochet in the ring. I'm making adult size. So I'm going to go ahead and make my double crochets, working all the way around, and I'm holding my yarn end underneath so that I attach it inside. And there's my 27 double crochets all the way around. Now I'm going to slip stitch to join in that first single crochet. And that is the first one, and those 3 single crochet will fit right there on the bridge of the nose. So fasten off, and I'm going to make another one exactly like this. And after you have the 2 of them made, you're going to line up your 3 single crochets together, and then you can just thread your yarn end into a yarn needle and sew the 2 circles together at the single crochets, just like that. And then you have your superhero eye mask finished. And so then you can either take the lenses out of an old pair of sunglasses and you can either sew them onto the frame, or you could probably glue them. And that's how that will look. And that's it. That's how easy it is to crochet a superhero eye mask. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.